In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to evenly space elements in Canva. This is a quick, reliable way to clean up your layout without nudging each item by hand. If your designs ever look a little messy or uneven, this will instantly make them look polished and consistent. Start by opening the project where your elements are already on the canvas. You can use this trick on any kind of design: presentations, social posts, posters, or anything with multiple text boxes, images, or shapes. Make sure you're on the page where everything you want to adjust is visible. If things feel cramped, zoom out slightly so you can see the full arrangement clearly. Next, select the elements you want to space out evenly. You can click and drag to draw a selection box around them, or hold Shift and click each one to add it to your selection. The key is to include only the items you want affected and leave out anything that should stay put. If something is grouped and you want each part spaced individually, ungroup it first. Otherwise, the group will move as a single piece. When your selection is correct, you'll see bounding boxes around all the chosen elements. Now look for the position control in the Canva toolbar. Click Position, and a panel will open on the left side of your screen. This panel contains alignment and spacing tools that help you clean up layouts fast. Inside that panel, find the option labeled Tidy Up and click it. That's the magic button. Canva will automatically organize your selected elements so they're evenly spaced, with clean, consistent gaps. It detects how the items are arranged and distributes them accordingly. No manual measuring or guesswork. In most cases, your elements will align more precisely and look balanced in a single click. Take a moment to review the result. If you had a mix of elements in a row or a column, you'll notice the gaps are now uniform. If the outcome isn't what you expected, you can simply undo and adjust your selection before clicking Tidy Up again. This makes it easy to refine which items should move together. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the elements you want to fix, click Position, and use Tidy Up in the left panel. It's a small step that delivers a big upgrade in visual clarity. Try it whenever your layout feels uneven and watch your designs look cleaner and more professional in seconds.